Embark on an inspiring journey with 13 Things Mentally Strong Women Don't Do by Amy Morin. This book is not just a guide. It's a powerful manifesto for women everywhere to build mental strength and reclaim their power. How often have you doubted your abilities? Morin confronts this, showing that while self-doubt can paralyze, recognizing and embracing your strengths sets you free. Consider your own comparison habits. Morin illustrates that while comparing leads to discontent, focusing on personal growth fosters happiness and fulfillment. This chapter asks you to reflect on how comparison might be shadowing your unique light and potential. Morin encourages a shift to self-appreciation and recognizing one's own unique path. Vulnerability can feel risky, can't it? Morin encourages revealing your true self, transforming vulnerability from a perceived weakness to a source of connection and strength. Perfectionism often disguises itself as a virtue. Morin urges women to reject this unattainable ideal, embracing their real, imperfect selves as a path to growth. In a world that often glorifies perfection, Morin's message is a refreshing call to embrace life's messy and unpredictable nature, learning and growing with each step. Relationships can uplift or drain you. Morin highlights the importance of identifying and nurturing supportive connections while distancing from toxic ones. How do your thoughts shape your day? Morin shows that while negative thinking limits potential, a positive mindset opens the door to new possibilities and joy. Imagine transforming your inner dialogue. Morin's insights guide us to reshape our thought patterns, cultivating a mindset that sees challenges as opportunities. Change can be intimidating. Morin guides women to embrace it, seeing change as an opportunity for development and a chance to demonstrate resilience. Morin illustrates how adapting to change is not just about survival, but about thriving. She urges women to view each change as a new chapter, rich with opportunities. Resilience is about bouncing back. Morin provides strategies for women to recover from setbacks, emerging stronger and more determined to face life's challenges. To conclude, embrace your unique strengths, confront doubts, cherish growth, foster resilience, and celebrate successes. Which of these resonates most with you? These takeaways are not just lessons. They are beacons that light our way towards a life of strength, resilience, and genuine happiness. 13 Things Mentally Strong Women Don't Do is not just a book. It's a beacon for empowerment, inspiring women to break free from limitations and soar.